Hey guys, wanna know how to change your currency pair in MetaTrader 4? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first off, make sure you have MetaTrader 4 launched, and on the bottom left right here you can see this quotes icon. Just simply click on it, and once you're there, in order to change your currency pair, you can just simply click on any one of these that you like. So for me, let's say is Euro JPY. Just simply click on it and then select open chart. And that's it. Super simple and easy. That's how you change currency pair in MetaTrader 4. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.